Idiom of the day: get off your high horse. Get off your high horse means stop talking as if you are better than someone or something. Example sentences: Marnie is never going to make friends here until she gets off her high horse and stops acting like she knows more than all of us. Dev thought he was too good for the job. Get off your high horse, his father told him. Would you get off your high horse and talk to me? I won't deal with you until you get off your high horse and stop patronizing me. Synonyms for high horse: arrogance, bumptiousness, haughtiness, loftiness, imperiousness, lordliness, masterfulness, peremptoriness, pomposity, pompousness, presumptuousness, pretension, pretentiousness, superciliousness, superiority. Antonyms for high horse: modesty, humility, unpretentiousness, unassumingness.